how to turn on or turn off Samsung keyboard smart suggestions on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, we scroll down, then tap on advanced features. Next, tap on smart suggestions. Tap on the left hand side panel. Then we make sure we turn on smart suggestions. After that, go down and tap on Samsung keyboard. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off, or tap on it again to turn it on. Once it is switched on, you can get suggestions for text to enter, such as verification codes and web addresses based on your messages and other activity. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.